Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. Today, we're going to be doing something that is... This is something that I have not seen in the 5 years I've been doing it. My grandfather has not seen happen in the last 21 years. It is also so uncommon that Frank Marabali, that teaches everything about these things, does not even show it. And, what is it? Bill Walters, right? That's his name. I'm sure some people have heard about him in the last 25 years, right? So 25 years, he's only done it twice. Don't know who this video is going to actually help, because chances are you haven't even done it nor need to, so. But we're gonna do it anyways. So this is the cable pulley shaft, aka the B shaft, aka the bastard shaft. And if you don't know what shaft it is that I am referring to, I will show you. So the thing that I am referring to though is this assembly right here. This is what it looks like when it's together. What happened is the dumbass that was working for us before, don't know how it happened, but it managed to happen while he was here. This is what is left. So basically, your moving deck pulley was sitting right there, keyed onto the shaft, and somehow the shaft just completely snapped. So now we have to change out the shaft, pulleys, and God knows what else. So been putting this off for the last few days because we've been waiting on this toolkit, which is the cable shaft bearing removal toolkit, or the bastard shaft toolkit. So we're gonna get into it. 90 degrees, detecting standing pins. Allow the scissors to close and shut off power of the pinsetter. Are we going off this one, or are we going off whatever, that one? Because virtually it seems like they all do the same fucking thing. So then once you do that, at this point you take off the scissor cable and put it between the upper and lower pulleys. Huh? This would be so much easier if we had that damn tool that I didn't even know existed. Yeah, step 3. With the scissor cable resting between the upper and lower moving deck and scissor cable pulleys, apply power back to pinsetter. Huh? Cycle the pinsetter to 270, setting new pins. So we gotta let it finish this cycle, and then we put it through first ball, then we let it go through the strike cycle and set new pins. All we gotta do is pull it, and we'll get it. Pull the cable, and it should open right back up. 270, setting new pins. What's worrying to me is that some of these actually let go. Can I have that towel? It's, huh? No, because it's not off both the pulleys. It's only off the top one. They say they want. That's what it said. God, I wish we had that tool I just learned of.
No.
270, setting new pins. And then it's, oh, sorry, that was step 4. Now we're on 5. Using cable removal tool, remove the cable off into the gutter. Don't worry about that. There's nothing there. There's, yeah, nothing more. With the moving deck loose, okay, now we got to take off the X-washer pins to the control cable, and if we had a moving deck pulley, that one too. Would you like me to try?
Yeah, big white one.
Yeah, well, we'll get it. Be as safe as we can be. You know, I think I got a whole lot meaner words to say than bastard. Just saying. I hate you. Y'all ever seen that fucking dubbed over fucking Star Wars Episode 3 shit? You were me brother Anakin. But it's like dubbed over and sounded like Japanese sounded. Like, I hate you. Ow! Sorry, kind of overreacted. It was the first off, you can still move that fucking the control cable pulley. Yeah, just not very easy because it's, you know, broken. But all I did was stub my finger on a little metal part. So I overreacted just a little bit. This shit's in my way. So I have I need a hammer. So I'm gonna knock this pin out in the link. So that'll be free. And hopefully not bite me in the ass by doing so. I don't know what's gonna happen when I pull this pin out. I don't either. That. Hey, look, it's loose now. Well, looser. Well, fuck. How does that come out? What? Does this have to be out? You know, I've always been a big supporter in putting X-washer pins in that are longer. Yeah. So that way you can get to the X-washer pins, because I sometimes wonder how they even got these on. And I'm at that point because I'm just kind of like, there's no way in hell I can get this off. Oh my Jesus, criminate. Oh, Lordy Lou. I came to save you. I'm going to absolutely maul this X-washer as soon as I get a grip on it. Now I got it. I don't know where it went, but I got it. With all three cables and the upper scissor link removed from the upper pulleys, loosen the 3/32 Allen set screw in the upper moving deck scissor control pulley and remove the pulleys from the shaft. After the pulley is removed, remove the square key from the shaft. So I guess I need a 3/32. Ow, my fucking head. I'm getting beat up. I'm the victim. So I have this very strange idea that I think we're gonna have to take this flag off. Because you think about it, I think in the other guy's notes, it does say to do the 180 adjustment. So, I think this has to be taken off. I don't want to, but this literally is not moving. But what if you get a punch and we drive the shaft out that way until the pulley comes off?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Probably. Who am I kidding? I know I am. I don't know my rights and lefts from my ass in a hole in the ground. So now, I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to use this fucking thing. Son of a bitch! Motherfucking fucks. Oh no, I'm gonna have to take it all completely out again. Redo everything. Ah! Fuck! Drop the fucking nut. When I pushed it in, as soon as I took everything out, the needle started falling out again. So here I am again, taking it all out again, trying to go ahead and put shit back the fuck together. Yeah. Yeah, I want my shaft. Yeah. Don't lose my bearings. Are you pushing on that? Ow. What the? It's Because my hands are all fucking greasy. I can't grab shit. It's getting old, it's getting old, it's getting old real quick. I'm so fucking done with this. This is the side no one sees. This is the side of me working on shit. The side, no, sorry. My grandpa's seen the side of me. This side of me is a complete fucking asshole and frustrated and wanting to fucking walk out every time. I don't get like this very often, but God, when it does, it hits me hard. And it's a lot of times, oh yeah, just put the shaft in and then put the keys right back in there. It's that fucking easy. Fucking engineer pieces of shit. All right, which direction does this go on? Like that?
Opening goes on the outside.
I want to know where the set screw is. Yes, okay, I got it. How? This fucking deck lives. I'm having a stroke. How? No, that doesn't. No, it doesn't make sense. I can't. It doesn't. The key's in the way. And the key's not like the jack shaft where it's open-ended. So I don't understand how this is supposed to go on. You fucking cunts. I'm gonna fucking kick someone in the dick. I need to set screw. Business, motherfucker. Fuck you. Can you grab me an X washer for the scissors? Not an X washer pin. Pin. I didn't grab one yet, so I don't know what's the longer size of that. I know. The inconvenience. Guess that'll work. Owie. That spring back there's no joke. And then when these fucking fray and everything like that, woo, them bitches hurt. Huh?
Take it back off the bottom.
But I can't get it on the bottom then.
Put it through the middle here.
I can't. I want it on the pulleys. I can't do that if I have the motherfucking top one on. Bottom, whatever the fuck. I don't. Never mind, I'm not doing shit. Scissor cable can go to hell. Because it ain't fucking going on here. How does this work? In what fucking world is this loose enough to go on? It makes no sense. If you can't get it here, then where the fuck can you? Whatever. Not certified, I suck. I resign my rights. Motherfucker! No, and now it's off the fucking back. God damn you. Huh? Can you hand me a flathead? I'm literally on my stomach draped across the lift rods and the fucking pit cushion. Trying to get this fucking pulley, the cable back on this back pulley. Yeah, some fucking dumbass took it off. Not me. The dumbass that we fired.
Might be part of the reason.
Probably. Come on. Go on, you fucking cunt bag. Squeeze my fat ass under this fucking shit. Okay. That's not 90. Should stop. Is it not stopping? Well, let it play through. Let's see what happens. Well, it's gonna need to be adjusted. After I get this cable on. Hold on. Yeah, whatever. is it cycling past it? God damn it. Oh, we're past 90. We're at 135. Whatever, I'm getting in here. This is 90? Doesn't make any sense. You would think how does that, something's not right here, because this fucking blocking surface isn't getting out of the way for this. Something's not right. Okay, well, it is called a bastard shaft, and to be honest, the shaft was easier than the rest of the stuff. It was the bearings. It was having to use old bearings that kind of sucked. And then you gotta also make sure you don't push it into the frame too much, because then the scissor cable, sheave, pulley, whatever it's called, that doesn't go in between the two pegs or whatever the hell it's called. So anyways, it's back up and running. It's good. We don't have a prison shank shaft anymore, and yeah, other than the outer range cycle not being existing, but that's a different project for a different day. So alright, I hope you enjoyed my cussing and being upset at everything. So bye.